right after you take the bar, di ba it's usually on November? Tapos lumalabas yung results 6 months after.
Usually, yeah.
On my end nga, sa CPA board exam, 1 week lang may results na. And yung waiting process nung 1 week na yun, sobrang brutal for me. So, ano yung feeling na you had to wait 6 months pa for the results?
Medyo nakakaba. Kasi right after the bar, 2 weeks after the bar, nag-start na ako mag-work. Hindi lang siya yung pressure within myself, pressure with my family. May pressure din sa work ko. Kasi, syempre, kung hindi ako pumasa, ano na yung ibig sabihin nun? Ano na yung mangyayari? Parang, do I resign? Do I still continue? Kasi, I was hired as an underbar in the hopes of passing the bar. Kung hindi ako pumasa, andun lagi yung thinking na yun during those months na naghintay ako ng results ng bar.
Malamang some days nakakalimutan mo kasi you're buried with work.
Oo. There are some days naman na hindi mo siya maiisip. Pero as the days go on, lalo na nung malapit na talaga, yung alam namin na malapit na lumabas yung results, everyday mo may isip talaga yun. May mga joke na hindi ko magagawa na to pag hindi ako pumasa. May mga ibang law firm na ang ginagawa nila, parang may superstition sila na before results ng bar, ipapack up na nila lahat ng gamit nila para magli-leave sila sa day of results. Tapos, kung di sila pumasa, at least wala na daw yung gamit nila. Wala na daw walk of shame pabalik na, alam mo yun, na hindi pumasa, pero babalik para lang kumuha ng gamit.